morning Year 2 and welcome to another math session. This week we are going to be doing some more quizzes. The reason why we're doing a quiz is because we are recapping everything we've learned throughout the year. So each question is something that we have covered already, and it's for us to think carefully, think about what we've covered throughout the year and then answer the question. Okay, so let's start with the first question. I have 36 sweets. I share them between my two friends. How many will they each have? So I have 36 sweets and I share them between my two friends. How many will they each have? Okay, so you can pause. So you now need to pause your video so you have a chance to work it out, think about what you have to do, and then press play so then we can work it through it together. Go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So 36, and I need to share them between 36 sweets, and I need to share those sweets between two friends. That means when I see the word share, I know I need to divide. So 36 divided by 2. So my number sentence is going to be 36 divided by 2. Okay? So I'm going to draw my two circles to help me calculate the answer. And I'm going to count up to 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So I now need to count how many there are in one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is going to be 18. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. I have these coins. Do I have enough to buy a lolly for 25p? So I have these coins. Do I have enough to buy a lolly for 25p? Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So my question is, do I have enough money to buy a lollipop that costs 25p? And firstly, I need to add all these coins together to see if I have enough to buy the lolly. So I'm going to start by adding the first three numbers together. So 5 plus 5 plus 10. Okay? So I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Then I add 2, so 20 plus 2. And that gives me 22p in total. So do I have enough to buy a lolly? No, I don't. Okay? Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. What's my number? I have 2 digits. I am even. My tens digit is half of 16. My ones digit is between 3 and 6. So this is quite a tricky question. So you have to use these clues. Think of it like a riddle. You need to use these clues to work out the number. And I'm going to start you off on this question. So to do this question, you need to draw out your place value grid. So we've got tens and ones, because remember it's a 2-digit number. So think about what your tens digit is going to be and what your ones digit is going to be. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So let's have a look at my clues. I have 2 digits. Yep. I'm an even number, so I need to remember that when I'm looking at when I'm thinking about what number is going to be in the ones column. My tens digit is half of 16. So my tens digit is half of 16. Half of 16 is good. 8. Well done. So half of 16 is 8. My ones digit is between 3 and 6. So it's either between 3, 4, 5 or 6. So it's in between 3 and 6. Okay? So it's an even number. So if it's between 3 and 6 and it's an even number, then it has to be 4. So my answer is 84. That was a really tricky question. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Put the correct signs in between these gaps. So you have these numbers and you have a number sentence, but the operate sign is missing. So you have to work out which operation goes in each gap. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So 9 something 4 is equal to 13. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of trial and error. 9 times 4 is equal to 13? Nope. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13? Yeah. So the answer here is going to be plus sign. So thinking about trial and error, you try them out until we get the answer. 3 times 5 is 15. Yep, that's right. 3 times 5 is 15, and we know that because we know our 5 times tables. The next question. 1 times 9 is equal to 10. No. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Yep, that is right. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So well done if you got that question correct. Okay? So now I have 10 plus 10 something 5 is equal to 2. So let me just rewrite these in again, just so I don't get confused. So plus times plus. So we can't see the number at the moment, but we know it's a 10. So 10 something 5 is equal to 2. Is it 10 times 5 is 2? No. 10 plus 5 is 2? No. 10 divided by 5 is 2? Yeah. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. What time is the clock showing? Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So I need to have a look at the time really carefully. I need to firstly look at the hour hand. The hour hand is facing 10. So I know it's 10 and then the minute hand is facing the 4. So we think about our minutes, so 5 minutes, 10 minutes past, quarter minutes past, 20 minutes past. So it's 20 minutes past 10, okay? So 20 minutes past 10, okay? Well done if you got that question correct. Make £2.30 using the fewest number of coins. So make £2.30 using the fewest number of coins. And in fact, I'm going to tell you, I want you to try and make £2.30 using 3 coins. So make £2.30 using 3 coins. So I've already given you a clue, okay? Using 3 coins, I want you to make £2.30. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So you need to make £2.30, and I've already told you that it's using 3 coins. So the 3 coins you should have had were, the first coin is the £2 coin. The second coin you should have had was the 20p coin, and then the 10p coin. Doesn't matter what order, but that makes £2.30. Well done if you got that question correct. I have 12 shoes. I want to put each pair into its own box. How many boxes will I need? So I have 12 shoes. I want to put each pair into its own box. How many boxes will I need? Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so this question we need to think carefully. This person's got 12 shoes and they want to put each pair into its own box. So how many boxes will I need? So essentially, if I have 12 shoes, how many pairs is that going to make? Good, 6. So we have 6 pairs of shoes. That adds up to 12 shoes in total. So well done if you got that question correct. Okay. Now I want you to have a go at these questions without my help. Read the question really, really carefully, and don't forget to post any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Bye-bye.